Ebooks kais banai. Ebooks banain kuliah, apko sabs polek ebook create karn kuliah software ki jararat hogi. Microsoft Word ebook banain kuliah sabs azen or sasta software high. AAP WordMe apni ebook licker save car soct hain PDF format me. Adobe InDesign ebook banain kuliah better in software high. Ye professional level software high or ism AAP apni ebook ka layout to design, or formatting bahut high asaani se car soct hain. Scrivener ebook banain kuliah ek popular software high. Ism AAP apni ebook ka chapters, sections, or formatting bahut high asaani se car soct hain. Scrivener ebook banain kuliah ek popular software high. Ism AAP apni ebook ka chapters, sections, or formatting bahut high asaani se car soct hain. AAP in software me apni ebook licker save car soct hain PDF format me. For AAP apni PDF file ko online ebook retailers J's ki Amazon, Barnes and Noble, Google Books, etc. par upload karka apni ebook self car soct hain. AAP chahi to apni ebook ko apn website par be sell car soct hain. Iski liye apko ebook payment gateway ki jararat hogi, jis AAP online payment except car sake.